Right, okay, let's get him out the way because he doesn't want to. Right, good morning, guys. Right, it's Magic DKU Performance 2021. As you can see, we're being very, very careful around the yard. Click and collect jobs only. This car's got an issue, exhaust problem. How many bottles is it? Anyway, he's in 4 lines, yeah? But anyway, he's laughing. Right, M140i B58. Guys, it's got a big, I don't know why I'm laughing so much today. Mad project. I'm not going to bore you too much, but let's quickly tell you what's going on. Okay, so this gentleman with the car, he loves his car to bits. A fat M140. We know the B58 is a weapon of mass destruction. He's already got a lot of mods on there. He was a bit naive in what he used to do and what have you, but let me just go through what he's had done and what we're chucking off and what we're doing. So it's a video to watch for you B58 lovers who's got the 140s. Cars are tool. Anyway, if you like, come all the way down. Oh, by the way, he's just put a M Sport LSD in the car, and there's reason behind that, and I'll tell you that in a minute. But anyway, let's go down here. Right, okay, if you could tell, he's already got a decat on there, bit of a shit job. Look, it's sort of, I mean, come on, you guys that know how it should be, you certainly should be inserting a pipe where the where sort of hits the flow, so the flow comes down, pipe hits in the way, it contradicts what you're trying to achieve and it goes the opposite direction. So whoever's done that is just pathetic, really. But anyway, so he's already got a decat on there, we're flinging it off, and he's got a stock system on there, which is also coming off, and he's got a back box elite. Now, he's a gentleman who likes perfection, and unfortunately he got conned with this setup anyway, but we're chucking it off. He's at the right place now. Now, what are we doing? We're gonna produce this guy a 4-inch turbo back exhaust system, 4-inch, and you can say, Maj, how did you do that? Wild one, like we do on our M2 concept. So we're going 4-inch oval all the way through. As you can see, you need the ground clearance. All new cars are coming with 4-inch oval setup. So, you know, you can't just go and stick a, there is systems out there, I think they go to about 3-inch. 3.5 inch is very, very difficult, and a round sort of method, and 4-inch is literally impossible. Because we're going 4-inch off the turbo, you'll have all the full ground clearance all the way through. We're not sure if we're going to apply a box somewhere here. Generally, we probably will. We're not we're not sure yet, but you'll see in the rest of the video how the engineers are sort of where they're going to locate this box here for resonation and for droning purposes. This guy wants it crazy loud. Okay, so we're going to come to a point right about here where we're sort of contemplating what to do. So are we going to go downsize to 3.5 inch in round because we want to give it a certain kind of look? Oh God. Right, okay, here's a stig. Right, okay. Okay, so in baby language, in sign language, what he means to say is that he wants to stick a 4-inch round on the back. He's lost his mind. But why is this guy, why is he always getting in my face? I mean, is that the new look of DKU? Is it like a DKU stick? Is that what you guys, do you want to like sign language? You want to listen to sign language? I mean, because I'll have to, if you guys don't want to see me anymore, you want to see him, all you're going to be like, you have to learn sign language. So he's always buttoning my But dude, get out of my face. Yeah, I know, because that's what they want to listen to. They want to listen to the content. You have to, look, I don't know. Right, anyway. Right, in the back, we're going to make him a mad design. We're going to chuck off these ugly tips. I mean, look at them. They're sticking about 20 foot out the rear bumper. Off they go. Guys, you need to carry on watching this video because it's going to be mad. It'll be a one-off system, and I know they'll create a big trend because the M2 exhaust system already has created a mad trend for the M2 N55 lovers. So there's a fair few, not too many, but there's a fair few guys that have had them done and they're loving them. So now the B58 M140, let's get to a 4-inch. Maybe we'll probably go all the way 4-inch. We're not sure yet. We're going to start designing and see what we could do or what the lengths we're going to go with, but it's going to be mad. It's going to be a crazy design. It's going to be off the hook. Nobody's done it before. I'm ready. I've never seen it. I'm so excited. I'm excited. Yo, have you seen this? Snap. Red chrome. Anyway, forget that. Have you seen this pornographical? This work of art. The Stig is a bad boy. 4-inch. Where's the Stig? I don't know where it is. We'll find him, we'll find him, we'll find him. And look at this. Creative or what, guys? Come on. Leave me a comment. What do you think? First 4-inch exhaust system. First 4-inch. Let me get it right. 4-inch turbo back for a B58, 140, 240, 40s. B58. It's mad. Have a look. Have a look at this. From the turbo. Transition. Oval. Loads of ground clearance. 4-inch. DKU 4-inch. I don't know what to call it. Tell me. I don't know, guys. Drop me a message. Let me know. What should we call this? This is like, wow, I'm gassed. I am absolutely gassed. Have you seen this resonator? Our new resonators. Look, merged, part of the system. You can't even tell it's there, but it's a resonator. Oh my God. You know, guys, I don't know what. I'm gassed about the exhaust system, especially with these red chrome tips. It's just mad. It's mad. I can't wait to wait. I can't wait for the dude to turn up. Be here in a minute. Him to turn up. I want to see his first impression, what he thinks about the exhaust system. But it doesn't stop there, guys. Right. As this video carries on, guys, you'll see what we're doing, what we're up to. You'll see this car and more here because there's, yeah, going meth with RTMG, hybrids with, unfortunately, the hybrid will have to have a lot of development involved for us to do that. But with this COVID going on, we need to send it back to the mad Greeks in order for them to do what they need to do on there. But nevertheless, let's start off on the exhaust, move on to the meth, and move on to the mapping, and right? Sounds a good plan. Keep on watching this bad boy. Loads of content. Subscribe, share, like, punch that button. Mad content here at DKU Performance this year, guys. Off the hook. We got some nice wicked going away. Things going on as well, so you'll find in the next 8-12 weeks what we're up to this year, because you know, guys, we're always away here at DKU Performance, but now we're going to ask you guys to come alongside with us. We've got some mad cars of our own, 5-6 crazy cars going on. Anyway, can't tell you what they are, but listen, guys, like, share, subscribe, follow us on all the social media platforms. Keep on watching out for this M140. Carry on watching the video. So this is how it's going to go on, guys. We're taking it to the DKU and RTMG lab, right? The magician is already be on it. The doctor is going to be on it. All the disciples are going to be on it. We're going to cook up some mad potion with this 140. You watch, well, what you watching this video, so watch all the production of this video, but watch the next video on this M140i. It's going to be mad. Guys, it's mad. Keep on watching this video. Drop me a comment, see what you think, what you reckon of the red chrome edition tips. They're 4.5-inch. And like I said to you guys, we don't know to anybody who's made a 4-inch turbo back exhaust system for one of these concepts. The B58, we have. DKUs have. And like always, we clock it. Every single time, we're clocking it. Check it out, man. That's how it goes, DKU. It's going to the DKU lab, RTMG lab. That's the way it's going to be. It's going to be nasty. Next one you need to watch, guys. Madge, DKU app. Over and out.